Hello children, this is for class 10 ICSE board. Let us continue with the maps. Now this is your Karakoram Pass. This one, Karakoram Pass. This one is Nathula Pass. Make sure that your Nathula Pass is slightly inclined. Nathula Pass. This side is Kanchenjunga, so this is your Nathula Pass, slightly inclined. The mineral resources, Dig Boy, the oil field. Now oil field, this Dig Boy, when you mark, this is Brahmaputra river, so where it is turning, this point is Dig Boy. Mumbai High, the offshore oil field, this is Mumbai. So from Mumbai you draw a line straight like this, and from the middle you again draw a line like this where the two lines converge. This is Mumbai High. And here you have Jharia, the coal field, and this is Singhbhum, the iron ore field. Jharia, this is your Damodar, and this is Hooghly river, somewhere in the middle, this gap. Jharia, and this is Singhbhum. This is Dig Boy, and this is Mumbai High. Now let us do with the winds. First, the southwest monsoon wind. Southwest monsoon wind, we know this is onshore wind, so my arrows will be moving from sea towards the land. Southwest monsoon, okay, hitting first the state of Kerala. Southwest monsoon has got two branches. One is Arabian Sea branch. You just draw a few arrows like this, all moving from sea towards the land. This one is Bay of Bengal branch. Part of it moves to Myanmar. A part of it moves straight like this, and one arrow you draw like this. This is Bay of Bengal branch. Northeast monsoon. Northeast monsoon, they are offshore wind, that is moving from land to the sea. So all your draw your arrows moving from land towards the sea, and make sure that it shows that it is hitting the Coromandel coast, because this area gets rainfall in winter from northeast monsoon winds. And another branch is western disturbance. Another wind is western disturbance. Now this western disturbance, it is the temperate cyclone that originates from the Mediterranean Sea. Temperate cyclone, western disturbance, okay, hitting this part of India. Now we have important latitude, Tropic of Cancer. Now when Tropic of Cancer is asked, that is 23.5 degree north. Now remember this point, okay, this point. Here you have indentation, so remember this point. Here where Narmada bends, just where it is bending above this, draw one point, and where Bangladesh is going like this, tail-like formation, here you draw one point. Now you join this. See, you can either have freehand joining or you can use your ruler. I prefer that it is freehand joining. Just first mark these 3 points, one here, one just where Narmada is bending here, another where Bangladesh, this tail formation, and then draw the line. Longitude 82.5 degree east, or Indian Standard Meridian. One point is where Ganga Yamuna meets. This is one point, Ganga Yamuna meets. Another point is left of Godavari river, and here don't touch with Sri Lanka, slightly away from Sri Lanka. And now have freehand joining, or you may use your ruler again. Now, dense population, one is Gangetic Plain, another the Western Coastal Plain, then your Eastern Coastal Plain has, but maximum is Western Coastal Plain, the whole of Gangetic Plain, also parts of West Bengal, dense population. And sparse population, Rajasthan, that is the Thar Desert, parts of Jammu Kashmir here, and northeastern part. Okay, so this is about your sparse population. Now next map, let us do some cities. Now cities, when we do, first one is Srinagar. Remember children, here we have Valar Lake. Remember, just close to Valar Lake you have Srinagar. Now where Yamuna is bending, this bending point along the bank of Yamuna, we have Delhi. Close to Delhi is Chandigarh. Where Ganga Yamuna meets at this confluence, we have Allahabad. Kolkata, when you mark, remember this indentation. Just on top of the indentation, slightly away from the indentation, put a dot and you mark Kolkata. Mumbai, so that one indentation will be there, map, and that is your Mumbai. Vishakhapatnam, see this is Chilka Lake, goes south, here is Vishakhapatnam. When you mark Hyderabad, this is Godavari, this is Krishna river, this areas in the middle, see Hyderabad. Now very interesting for Chennai, if I put my finger here children, you see this looks like a face, isn't it? Looks like a face. Now this forehead is Chennai. Now from Chennai you have a line straight like this, and from midpoint again you have a line straight like this. This is your Bengaluru, the IT capital, and then this is Kochi. Okay children, so these are the major cities. Followed? Now we have the soil. Soil, when we do alluvial soil, the Gangetic Plain along with West Bengal, this portion. Alluvial soil you have along the Western Coastal Plain and Eastern Coastal Plain. Now remember one thing I tell you, when you are doing red soil, laterite soil and black soil, please don't touch it with the coastal plain, because along the coastal plain what are you having? Alluvial soil, so that gap should be there. Black soil, this is your Deccan Trap region, so one small patch out here, another patch here, this portion. Okay, so these two are black soil. Laterite soil always in patches. This is your summit of Western Ghat, this becomes the summit of Eastern Ghats, and we have one small patch here, the Assam Hills here. Red soil, this whole patch, make sure that you shade Tamil Nadu, because Tamil Nadu is very, very important for red soil. That's all for today. Thank you, children.